We have a Romi CNC combination teach lathe, model M17, serial number 002094450 Machine was new in 2008, and we're going to run it for you. It has 17-inch swing with 43-inch center distance, 4,000 RPM spindle max, a Fanuc 21 IT control. Right now we're running at 500. You can barely hear the machine. 1,000. 1,500 RPM. The waves are hardened and ground. They are perfect. We have a Dorian tool post, quick change with multiple holders with it. 1,800 RPM. The hole through the spindle is 2.09. You have a Rohm 8 3/4-inch chuck. Right now he's using the pulsed generator hand wheel to simulate a manual hand wheel. That's your X. He just did the Z before. You also have fine and coarse. That's your fine. You get, why don't you show it on the to keep doing it, show it on the computer. There you go. That's your fine. And obviously when you're in fine, you can't even hear the ball screws or the motors. All right. You also have, look at that. He has the manual jog button. Now you can also hook the remote carriage up to the carriage. And now you can use that as even more as a manual lathe. Okay? We have a tailstock. The tailstock has a number 4 Morse taper, travels 4 and 4.72. And not only that, machine has a live center in the tailstock. Again, this machine's original paint came out of a school. She's a beauty. We also have 4 of them that came out of the same school. You can see its brother next to it. Hey, thank you for watching our video.